Today I'll present a joint effort with AMD, Mike and Kiriti's group, and also co-authored, co-investigated with two of my PhD students. So I will present a method that tries to take an existing convolutional network architecture that has been established for a particular data set, try to augment it with small shallow CNNs so that inference time is not impacted or is not impacted significantly at all. But at the same time, the goal is to improve the classification accuracy. And as I walk through this presentation, I will give some introductory, what motivated us to do this type of research. Also, I will overview the approach. Then I will go into some details about the architecture, how it looks like. I will give some example cases. Through those examples, we'll see how it works. But then I will formalize by drawing some experiments on conventional data sets and different network architectures.